Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SNDL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, a good solid day. Nothing spectacular, nothing explosive like this one's done in the past. But from a health perspective, in terms of just chipping away, building a higher consolidation area, mission accomplished once again. And this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the past videos. But even if you haven't, I have talked about that green line right there, which represents 35 cents, being an important area of support, because if the price can continue to hold above that area, so if this price movement just continues, and then you look at where's the last low at? Well, the last low was down around here. Where's the last set of lows at? Well, that was down around here. And if you envision each one of those as stair steps, what do you have? Well, from the big picture, you have nice, healthy upward stair steps progressing in the bullish direction. And that's what you want to see. Assuming you're along, you want to see healthy consolidations and those higher lows being built. And that's what 35 cents is, representing right now. And again, that is why today, while nothing necessarily spectacular in terms of the price just absolutely exploding upwards, at least it's still working on and is respecting that 35 cent mark, which, as I just showed, is an important level because that does represent that overall higher base being established and put into place. So moral of the story there, 35 cents definitely remains that very important level of support to watch. But what about areas of resistance? Well, again, nothing new here to report. Still all about the 50-cent mark up there, which a lot of people are definitely going to be watching, which is important. And I'm not saying anything, as a guarantee exists, but my core point here is that if the price were to work its way up to that level and then get the break up through it, it's more than valid, it's more than rational to think that a break of that level in and of itself could create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. So you're definitely going to want to keep a close eye on that and see if the price, can work its way up there and get the break of it. But right now, probably a little too premature because the price has got quite a bit of distance to go up there. But again, maybe not that premature because this one does, have the ability to move and move very quickly. So we'll see what happens with it going forward. But overall, the chart is still very healthy as long as it stays above that 35 cent mark. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.